Today we talk about how can you change your email address on your Wake We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on edit profile. So then come to this list here, then all you have to do, just click on security here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here, just return to open video. So then all you have to do, you just click on main email address, click on it, and here enter your email address, then you click here on save. So then it's going to save video on your Wake That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.